The second to last step in producing the Thevenin equivalent circuit is to find the Thevenin resistance. To find the Thevenin resistance, the first step is to remove the voltage source. Now, a voltage source is removed by shorting the points across the voltage source. Of course, in real practical circuit, you would not physically short a voltage supply because it would actually destroy it. But for circuit analysis purposes, we short the point across where the supply is. Now, if you look carefully at these two resistors here, you will see that this resistor now, resistor R1, is now in parallel with resistor R2 because this point here is effectively at this point here. So we can draw an equivalent circuit to show this. So now we have R2. We still have R3. Now we have R1 in parallel with R2. R2 was 4 ohms, R1 8 ohms. And we have this point here. Across this point, we are looking to use an ohm meter to measure the resistance. And the resistance measured across this point would be the Thevenin resistance. Now, how do we calculate the Thevenin resistance? Note carefully that since R1 and R2, they are now in parallel, we can use the formula for two resistors in parallel to find the equivalent resistor of these two, and then simply add that resistance to the value of R3, and that would give us the Thevenin resistance. So let us do that for this arrangement. We can write that the R Thevenin is equals to R1 in parallel with R2 plus R3. This gives R Thevenin is equals to 8 by 4 over 8 plus 4 plus 6 ohms, which equals 8 fours are 32 divided by 12 plus 6 equals, so using the calculator, 32 divided by 12 equals 2.67, and we add the 6 and that gives us 8.67 ohm. So the R Thevenin equals 8.67 ohm. Now, the final step in producing the Thevenin equivalent circuit is actually drawing the circuit with the values for the Thevenin voltage and the Thevenin resistance noted on the circuit. So we draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. We draw like this, and we say now this is V Thevenin, and in this case the V Thevenin, remember previously we got the V Thevenin to be 8 volts, right? So we write 8 volts R Thevenin, we just calculated as 8.67 ohms, and we complete the circuit by drawing on the load resistor, which can be of any value. We started over here, okay, and if you go all the way back, we started showing you how to work out the Thevenin voltage, right?